Hello, universe. This is quick demo about my project, which I walked through a project which I built on Q&A agent on a DeepMind research paper. So where I use LangChain, ChromaDB, and Google Gemini API. So the idea behind this, why I go with this application, the idea it comes with the one problem. Like I want to search some topic and I want to find out from DeepMind paper, but the thing is there are lots of paper which I don't know which paper this part which I want to learn is there. That's why it's triggered in my mind and I go step by step and use LangChain, ChromaDB, and Google Gemini to make that agent Q&A agent for DeepMind. And whatever I ask, for, if it is on that paper, it will give me the answer giving without go through all the PDF. So it will save my lots of time. Also, it will to the point what I am asking. It is there, and then it will give the answer. So this is the main idea behind that which I developed. And first of all, I will already confirm I am not much interested in UI design. I'm focusing more on backend design. So here mostly I focus on idea behind how I can do that thing. So like this system, uh, we follow the PDF in a batch way. And here I use Kaggle. From Kaggle data I uploaded and all this thing I did here like temporary, because as you know, I am using Google Colab free. So here no data will store, nothing will store. When I am used that time it will be there. So just now I remember. So now data is vanished. That's why I can't able to run this, but I will show the I already run that thing and I also get the meaningful result. You need to you can try this code on your if your system is much larger and all. So this is about PDF load, and I already loaded 855 PDF, and then I use API key. This is alternate API key. I will remove this thing, and then I will use the idea behind this main one of the most idea that I implemented here is loading PDF in a batch, 10 PDF each time. So it will take, I think, 30 minutes for process all the 855 PDFs. So here first load the PDF, then chunking and then embedding. So like, and I will create this pipeline. This pipeline will do 10 PDF each time for first load, then chunk, and then embed this thing. And then after that, it will store on the ChromaDB store. This is, I make this here, it will be if I run that thing. So it will store that thing. And then I use simple Gemini 1.4 Pro and temperature I make 0.4. If one word I get from the PDF and I want a little bit more, then it will generate that thing. That's why I make this 0.4. So get much idea about that word. Here I use system prompt is some proper way to give the answer very context way and make the context to the point. So that's why I use. And then UI is you can use anything there. I use for Jupyter, but it is fine. And also you can use Streamlit. So I already told I am not interested in UI design. Mostly I'm interested in backend part. And in this way I did. So some of the library which I used for making this beautiful app is LangChain to manage the entire pipeline, ChromaDB for fast vector search, Google Gemini to generate accurate answer, syntax transformation for embedding, Py PDF and unstructured are used for PDF to convert into document form and then chunking, and Streamlit you can use for here I use for UI1. So this is about this application. And this is just a few line of code and get an intelligent Q&A system for hundreds of academic paper. You can think like that. You are going to learn one by one. Even till now, ChatGPT, if you load, you can't able to load that hundred of documents on that. And that's why I make a custom agent, Q&A agent, especially for deep. And you can use whatever you want for that if your document is so high. So this is the main idea behind it. And yeah, you can go through my GitHub repo about this code and also README file for better understanding, and you can try on that. So thank you so much. This is about my application and the app which I developed.